Now, Indian actor Sania Malhotra is getting critically praised for her recently released ZEE5 film, Mrs. In an interview with WION's Shubhangi Priyadarshini, the Bollywood star spoke about her latest gig and her cinematic journey. Take a look.
I think I do feel that I have somewhere seen women like Richa around me and so up close and personal. I have not dealt with the same sort of struggles that Richa is facing, but I have seen women and met them and interviewed them through the process of prepping for the film to make the character more personal and to just help me be in her shoes. So I think the dancer bit, the one thing that is common between Richa and I is that she too is applying for a dance teacher job in the film, and I used to be a dance teacher before I became an actor, and I did that for a couple of months in Delhi after college, and just that. I think for the emotional bit, I definitely felt deeply empathetic towards her and her struggles, and meeting women and talking to them really helped me bring her character alive. I think that realization needs to come that cooking and household chores is a life skill and everyone should know how to do it to nourish themselves and to take care of themselves. I think just that needs to happen. For every scene where you see Richa cooking, what Aarti has done is that she has made it look very different, because the film, at one point, she's not getting out of the kitchen at all. Like, you feel trapped with her in that kitchen. So the beauty of those scenes is that you see her doing something different in every scene you see her cook. Starting with the day one where she's cooking halwa. She's also making a tea for her husband, and then when the mother-in-law leaves, she cooks biryani, and she's trying to also entertain herself, and she has her headphones on and she's dancing, and she sees that, of course, like, her father-in-law is not very happy with the way she has cooked that day. The next day she's really she is looking at this YouTube tutorial to how to make a biryani, and then every scene in the film is designed in a way that though she is in the kitchen, she is doing something different, and it's not like that. We are not repeating those actions to make it look mundane. And I think Aarti has done such an amazing job. There used to be food around us at all times on every days of our shoot. There used to be fresh makhan from fresh chapatis. And the one lasting thing, I think what I realized through that whole process, that I'm actually quite good at making rotis, because there was a scene where we were taking a close-up of the road, like a pulka being followed on that, chula, but we had a food stylist on set at all times, but they were just not able to make the pulka phulo. And I stepped in and I was like, wait a second, let me do it. And I did it in one go. So, and I honestly love cooking. And through this whole film, I learned a lot of like new recipes, which I cook now. I love home cooked food. Like, that is something that really makes me feel satiated. I'll be very honest. I prefer home cooked food, even if I'm shooting outside. If I'm traveling, then it's a different ballgame altogether. But I prefer home cooked meals. I think to see a woman as a whole human being, but not putting them on a pedestal, and acknowledging the fact that they too have their passions and dreams, and just lifting that pressure off of them. That will be my biggest takeaway.